In this pot, I got 4 sticks of butter, and I'm using unsalted butter. You can use whatever kind of butter you want, but this is the butter I'm using, and I got this from Aldi. Guys, so in my butter, I'm gonna be putting a lemon. I'm gonna cut it up. I'm gonna put some chipotle peppers in there, a whole bunch of garlic, lemon pepper, Creole seasoning, chili powder, and paprika. And then I'm gonna also put some green onions in there. And I'm gonna show y'all what these look like when I open them up. This is what the chipotle peppers look like when you open them up, y'all. But I'm only gonna be using one of these because these are pretty spicy. So I'm gonna chop this up pretty fine and just throw it off in the butter. Here it is before I chop it up. And this is after. Now I'm gonna do the green onions and the lemon. This does not have to be fancy at all. I just sliced up the green onions. I used the white part and the green, and I just cut that lemon up into slices. Now you can pull as many seeds as you can out, but it's no big deal, y'all. If when you come across a seed, just, you know, put it to the side. It's important to use a lot of garlic, y'all. I'm using 4 tablespoons of garlic. So basically, for every stick of butter, use like a tablespoon of garlic. So now you want to go ahead and put your seasonings in there and get it turned on. Go ahead and turn the heat on low and let everything melt together. It really will save you some time if you do this ahead. Alright, so you just want to stir it up. I'm going to add a little bit more paprika in here. And I'm just going to turn this off and just kind of let it sit. It's been on low for about 15-20 minutes. It doesn't take long. You just got to get everything in there. Okay, so I'm in prep mode now. Here's one of my lobster tails, and these are still frozen, well, partially frozen. It's easier to split your lobster tails in half when they're solid like this, other than thawed out. So what I'm doing with these lobster tails today, I'm splitting them in half into 2 pieces, just because I like how it looks and I like how easy it is to pull that meat out of there when it's done. I still got a couple more to go. Alright, so here's a tail right here. And all I'm going to be doing is splitting it down the middle. You got to have a sharp knife for this, y'all. And hold your hand steady. And basically, I just cut it down the middle like that into 2 pieces. Okay, so I'm going to do another one. So I'm just holding my hand steady. And I'm splitting it down the middle. Again, y'all, make sure your knife is sharp. You can use kitchen scissors with this as well. You may have to go through it a couple of times, but that's what you're going to end up with. 2 nice size pieces. Now that all of these have been split, I'm going to go through and clean them. You know, there's some veins and stuff in here. And I want to go through and just make sure these are nice and clean. These lobster tails are pretty clean this time. They don't have a lot of veins and stuff going through them. So yeah, shout out to Kroger. Ooh, that meat about to be so good. All of the lobster tails have been split in half and washed really good. Now I'm gonna season with some Old Bay, a little bit of lemon pepper, and some paprika for color. Please do not over season. Please remember that our butter has seasoning in it as well. We don't want our seafood to be too salty. It's already naturally salty. Okay? Just lightly with the Old Bay. Old Bay is just that type of seasoning that's, you know what I'm saying, it's just right for seafood. Okay. Lemon pepper. Lemon pepper is one of those things that I use all the time with seafood, fish, chicken, all that. All right, and then some paprika. Y'all know paprika really don't have that much flavor. Smoked paprika has more flavor than regular paprika, but yeah, I just keep paprika all the time. It's good to get that nice color going. Yeah. All right, got everybody looking nice. Check out our butter, y'all. This has been sitting for a couple of hours now. Look at that, full of garlic and green onion. Got that lemon in there too. I can already tell I'm not gonna have none of this left over. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the game today. Back to these. You do not want these sitting out on the countertop, y'all. You want your seafood to stay nice and cold. So I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator. I'm not gonna be putting anything else on these until I get them on the grill and start putting the butter on there. Yeah, it is so hot out here. But I'm getting ready to get my little grill ready, child. It's actually not too bad. Get this, get the grate washed off real good. And empty out this old charcoal and stuff. Nice breeze coming through, thank the Lord. I didn't pull the tag off of this brush yet, but look, this is a nice grill brush, y'all. I got it from Dollar General for $2. So if you're looking for something to clean your grill with, this is a nice little investment. I'm gonna get some more, like, you know, some to have on backup or whatever. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't take the tag off of it. This is a, it's by Flame and Glow Grilling. Now I can take the tag off. But anyway, yeah. Let me finish getting my grill together. Got the grill going.
So it's the paper towel is blending.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this thing nice and hot. I'm about to put the rack on there now. Got the tails on the grill. I put them directly on the grate, y'all, just so they can get that nice smoky flavor all through. Now I'm gonna shut this down and just let them start cooking. All right, so these have been cooking about 7-8 minutes. And I done put some butter on there like that, you know. They're almost ready. It don't take these long, y'all. I don't let my lobster tails go for no more than, I would say, whoo, it's smoking. I would say 15 minutes. Because these are actually a decent size. Woo, y'all, it's smoking. But yeah, this is what we got so far, y'all. Getting ready to pull them up off this grill. Because if you let them grill too long, y'all, they will get tough. And we do not want no tough lobster. And it also depends on how you like your lobster, too. Sometimes, you know, some people like them a little under. But I like mine to be fully cooked. But not tough. Ooh, smoking. I had a few okra that I just picked off the bush, y'all. I'm just going to put these on the grill as well off to the side. Now, I use some foil with these because they will definitely fall in between. So, yeah. I pulled one off of the grill so you can see how it should look. Once it starts to kind of shrink a little bit and come away from that shell, it's ready. This is the rest of the butter. I'm going to use all of this. And I'm just going to pour this over the lobster tails when they come off the grill. Alright, time for these to come up off the grill. They ready. They ready. I'm going to let these go for a little bit longer. Okay. Time for these to come up. Y'all, my kids love lobster, right, Trey?
Yeah, we just love lobster. Yeah, we don't care.
You don't care?
I don't care if you like. I just love lobster. Ugh.
You hear that sizzle?
Yeah. These are good lobsters. These were crabs. And I turned to lobster.
This is the finished product, y'all. If you have never had grilled lobster tails, please give this recipe a try.
Guys.
About to get inside and eat these up. I want to thank y'all so much for watching.
Thanks for watching our videos. Bye.
We'll see y'all on the next one.
See you on the next